Right, in this video, we're going to talk about 18.2, Objective 3, where we use the properties of a 30, 60, 90 right triangle to find unknown parts. So in a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, we make the side across from the smallest angle 1, and the hypotenuse in this case is double the short side. And by the Pythagorean theorem, that leaves this side to be the square root of 3. So we have 1 to the square root of 3 to 2 for our sides A, B, C. And again, we can multiply that by a scaling factor of x, like so. And those are our proportions. So I'll be using those to help me find the unknown sides here. If AC is 16, and that's across from the 30-degree angle, we should be able to find sides AB and BC. So 16 is to 1 as x is to, let's start with side AB, which is going to be the hypotenuse. So x is going to be 2 times 16 is 32, since it's double the short side, and 16 was the short side. And now 16 is to 1 as my unknown is to the square root of 3. When I cross multiply, y is equal to 16 root 3, which we're going to use our calculator to round to the nearest thousandth. And we get that this is about 27.713. Let's look at this one where BC is given as 8 inches. And that is across from my 60-degree angle. And figure out first what the side across from the 30-degree angle is. So x is equal to 8 divided by root 3. And we're going to round to the nearest thousandth. 4.619. I'm not just going to double that rounded answer because we're going to go back to what we know. So I'm going to say y is to 2 as 8 is to root 3. And y equals 16 divided by root 3. It should just be double this answer. 9.238. There it is. Sometimes it'll be a little off in the rounding of the last digit. So a rafter makes a 30-degree angle with the horizontal. If the rise is 8 feet, and find the rafter length, which is the hypotenuse here, and the run to the nearest inch. Okay. So eight is to 1 as x is to, this is going to be the 60-degree angle here, is to root 3, calling this x. And so x is equal to 8 times the square root of 3. And my run to the nearest inch this is going to be 13.8564046. This is feet. I'm going to subtract off my 13 feet. And then I'm going to multiply that fraction of a foot by 12. And I get 10 inches. 13 feet, 10 inches for my run. And then 8 is to 1 as x, as let's call it y since I already used x. So y is to 2. And y is equal to 16 feet for the length of my rafter. And that's it. We'll come back next time and talk about 18.3 Objective 1. We'll see you for the next video.